So we have a new member, which is Sal, who's a 2.5-year-old border collie. She's been on a farm for 2.5 years, and she's not been in a house before, not been in a car before, and not seen bikes before. So we're just getting her used to being out and about, and yeah, see what happens. Sal! Sal! Sal, come on! Come on! He's a good girl. Come here, sit, sit. Say hello. Good girl, come here. He's a good girl, eh? He's a good girl. Good girl. Say hello, my name's Sal. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Sal, come on. Good girl. Thanks for watching. As I said, completely different, back to normal next week, or more normal. Weight loss update, and yeah, we'll see. Something else, I guess. I'll give you a bit of an insight on the nuke-proof wheels that I've fitted. Seem to be running okay. So yeah, that's all to follow. If you've watched this far, then thanks very much, and please subscribe, it would be brilliant. Alright, see you next time.